this is Michaela, also known as CaelaCae, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I fill in my eyebrows. This is actually the finished product. I'm filming this part after I did the video. So if you guys do like the way my eyebrows look, if you guys are one of the people who are asking me about how I fill my eyebrows, if you guys are one of the people who are asking about how I fill my eyebrows in all the time, or if you ask for a brow tutorial, then please keep watching this video. Also, please like, comment, and subscribe. And without any further delay, let's just get into the video. Okay, so when I'm filling in my eyebrows, I only use one product, and it's this. It's the e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil, and I use the shade Neutral, but this is all that I use. Usually there's like a little clear cap over this, but it always comes off of mine. But this is literally all that I use. And what I do is I take this little end and I just brush up all of my brow hairs. Except the ones on the tail. I just brush up the ones that are here. And then I just begin filling it in. I start from right here, right before the arc. And I just fill it up going in an upward motion. And I don't do it too heavily. I do light strokes because I want to be able to control how dark I fill them in, depending on whatever I'm filling them in for. And then as I get closer to the inside of my brows, I make the strokes even lighter because you don't want your whole brow to be the same color. You want the inside to be lighter so that it looks natural. You don't want your whole brow to be one color so everybody knows, oh, you just filled in your eyebrows and it looks like somebody took a marker and marked them on. And the further I get in, I go even lighter. And then the inside I'll also brush it a lot, just so that it comes off even lighter and it makes it look even naturaler. I really don't do anything too extra. I just follow the shape of my natural brow. I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other side before I start on the tail for it. The first side that I did. I don't know if y'all realize, but the further I get into, the more upward I go. So as I'm more closer to the tail, it's more of a slanted direction toward the outside of the brow. But once I get closer in, I follow the direction that the brows naturally go in, and I just start going more and more upwards. So when you get towards the middle, you just go straight up. Make sure that every once in a while you brush the brows like how you see me doing, because you don't want to let the product build up too much to the point where it looks like you drew your eyebrows on. Now I'm just going to do the tails of the eyebrow, and what I do is just brush those hairs out. I slant the brush like this and just brush them to the side, and then I follow that direction with the brush. This is the tail of your eyebrow, so you want to kind of follow the natural pattern of your eyebrow and make this the darker part of the brow. So the further you go in, as I said earlier, it's going to be lighter, and you want it to be darker the further you go out. Normally my eyebrow is the first thing that I do if I'm doing a full face of makeup. And then what I do is afterward, after I finish my makeup, I'll go back and fill in the eyebrow where it needs to be filled in. Because when doing your makeup, a lot of times powder or foundation or anything else can like get on your eyebrow and mess them up. So you'll have to go back and fill them in if you do your eyebrows before the rest of your makeup like I do. I'm not going to be doing a full face of makeup for you guys today, unfortunately. So depending on what I'm doing, sometimes I'll just stop here if I want my brows to look more natural. I'll just stop here. I'll just fill it in, and I don't worry about going around it and cleaning it up with concealer or anything. But if I am going for a more glammed up look, if I am going out and doing something that I want to look more dressed up for, I will go ahead and take my concealer and take it around my eyebrows, and I'm going to show you guys that. But just so you guys see, this is what it would be like if I'm doing an everyday thing and I'm not really caring about it being too clean. What I do is I take the concealer and I go around my eyebrow, and then I actually use an angled liner brush, and I use this to clean it up. And if I don't have an angled liner brush around, then I'll just use a Q-tip. I find that the angled liner brush helps a lot with being able to control that. And there's no particular concealer that I usually use. I just use one that's a little bit lighter than my skin tone and make sure that I blend it pretty well. But this one is just the Maybelline Superstay. And this is what it looks like. My bottle's kind of faded, but this is what the product looks like. I actually need to get some more. But I'm just going to take this and go underneath my brow. And I'll usually go a little bit further than just underneath, just so I can control it, because I'm going to spread it anyways, but I don't want it to go too far up and get on the brow where I don't want it to go. So I find that leaving a little bit of space below helps me to be able to control that better. Concealer on my lashes, y'all. Okay, and I just do the bottom first, and if I am doing the top, I will go and do the top, but sometimes I will just do the bottom and not even do the top. So it just really depends on what I feel like and what I'm going for. As y'all can see, this concealer is a lot lighter than my skin tone, which means I'm going to have to do a lot of blending afterwards. But I don't really know. To blend it, what I'll do is just because I'm not applying makeup, this is gonna look kind of crazy because I did a lot of concealer, which wouldn't be a problem if I was doing eyeshadow and everything because I would be putting the concealer there anyways, or primer. I'm just gonna leave it like that for now. I'm just going to use this foundation brush to go ahead and blend that concealer in more so it's not just sitting there like it is. Okay, and for the sake of this video, I'm just going to go ahead and go above too. And I don't go too heavy-handed above like I do underneath the eyebrow, but I'll just put a very small amount near the tail. And then some around the arc, well, above the arc of the eyebrow as well. And I don't really go too far in towards the middle, but I'm just doing those dots because it makes it a little easier in control that way. But just do the same thing. Just go around the edges and clean up the brows a little bit. After you get cleaned up like you want it, then you can just take it and drag it out like you did underneath the brow. And I'm gonna take this brush again and use it to blend it out. I know it looks kind of crazy because I'm not doing a full face of makeup. I don't plan on doing much today to need to wear it, but somewhere along the way I kind of wiped off part of his brow, so I'm going to go back and fill that in right here. Make sure this side looks even, and then just brush it a little bit. Okay, you guys, so that is how I fill in my eyebrows. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. If you guys would like to see how I shape and maintain my eyebrows, then I can make that video for you guys as well. It just will take a little while for me to grow my eyebrows out, but I do my eyebrows on my own. I don't go and get them professionally done. Everything that gets done to my eyebrows, I do myself. So if you guys would like to see that video, go ahead and comment below. Also, please like this video, please comment, leave comments, subscribe. Let me know some content that you guys would like to see down below in the comments. But thank you guys for watching this video. See you guys next time.